is that the opposition has broken down. So it was a Congress, and now the opposition is fractured between the Congress and TMC. And then further, if you look at it, already there are 5 members from the TMC out of the 12 MLAs who are already talking to many different political parties. I don't want to take names. If you go and find out, you will. If you go and ask, you will find out. They are already TMC is breaking. So already they are on a disintegration mode. So therefore, it clearly reflects that the kind of expectation that those leaders had or other members who joined TMC had, it will not be there. That's number one. So therefore, yes, we take up opposition serious. We never take anybody lightly, and we always fight, taking everybody seriously. So we'll continue to do that. But the TMC, the kind of fanfare that it started off with, today it's disintegrating with a lot of its members today going to different political parties, including the NPP. Regarding them taking up the issues at the national level, it's good. Well, concerning issues about the people in the state, we ask everybody should take it up, and the issues that they've taken up in Delhi regarding the 8th schedule is something that this government had passed a resolution for.